Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So there's actually two ways of doing it. The first one just captures the entire screen, and to do it you just want to have it open, whatever it is that you wish to capture, which for me is just going to be the home screen. And from there you want to just press both keys at the same time, so power key and volume down, like so. You get this animation, then you get a pop-up at the bottom where you can edit and share, stuff like that. And the image itself can be found in your gallery, so just tap right here and that is the image. So there we go. So that is how you would capture a screenshot in the first way. And the second way actually gives you a little bit more control. So you have this panel right here, not sure if it's visible, but there's like a slight dark edge to it. So you just want to swipe up. Oops, I just moved it to the other side, but you can see it clearer now. So what you want to do is swipe from it and then move through a couple pages until you see Smart Select. And here you have a couple ways. So you can have the rectangular, which just allows you to select a box area. Then you have the oval, this is a circular area. Animation, which not really sure how that works. And then pin screen just allows you to pin a specific part of the screen at a different location. So this doesn't actually apply. So these basically two allow you to select specific area in a shape. So you can see, you can basically resize it. And if you, for instance, just want to capture this as an example, you want to have it selected like this, and then press done, and that's it. So now just tap on the save button, which is this down arrow over there, and the image can be found in your gallery right here, as you can see. So that is the second way you can do this. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.